It's time for the daily market wrap for Monday, March the 22nd, 2021. I hope everybody had a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, well, let's check and see what happened in the market here today. So SPX up 27 points today, so back up to the upper Bollinger Band here. Weekly chart, oh, wow, kind of looking like a inside week, right? So choppy week right here. So, and it was a grinder today, guys, but really cool stuff, right? We talked about this last night that we might be working on this wave B up before a wave C down. So really, guys, today's price action was so low volume and grindy that it really feels like this B wave is up, and we started to pull back off of the 618 at the end of the day, right? So that gives ABC move right here, and what a great move on our levels, right? So I'll show you here. These are the levels that we provide to our members for each market open in the Elite Access member and in the bubble report. But you'll see here, guys, low volume on the SPY today, guys. This is a low volume day. It felt like a B wave all day today. So if you go to the S&P, you'll see where we eventually got to here today. If you go to the chart here, right off of our VPOC, right at the 39.44 from the 18th, right? What a great level for to find a reversal move, and that was it, because we just ground our way up all day, just grindy. Look at these upper shadows, lower shadows, upper shadows, lower shadows, upper shadows, right? So definitely felt like a wave B today. So this was a little bit faster, right? And now this may be the start of that wave C down. So let's see how that goes here going into this evening and into tomorrow. So we'll see. It could still be working its way up. But anyway, geometric line below right here is still held. So again, if we break over this geometric line overnight, that could kind of inspire us to the market to see if things want to get their way lower right here. But again, big sharp move down right here at the end of the day on the Qs, right? So you can see again back below the ADMA with increasing volume, right? And finally started to work its way down. And then we had the IWM today. IWM stayed below the 15 orb low today, and the XLF did not show relative strength today at all, right? In fact, it was pretty heavy on the market. I was kind of shocked that the market was doing what it was doing with the XLF being as low as it was. So made it really tough for me to get long on the market today. And I did not see many clear setups intraday. It's very grindy price action, right? There was some other stuff we did. NEO. We'll talk about that in a little bit. Tesla's actually gave a good short opportunity. Facebook gave some opportunities today too. So we'll take a look at those. But let's take a look at Apple here. Again, Apple is a tough one as well. This up move right here was on low volume. I do not like getting in on these, right? And then it did make a pop right here on some increased volume. So there was a couple little opportunities in here on Apple, but really tricky stuff. Then of course there's Tesla. So Tesla actually gave a nice down move right here again with the market. This gave a go right here, nice inside candle, and then this upper shadow off the ADMA, and really started to get going here on Tesla here on the 15-minute chart. NEO. This gave us a good dip buy opportunity at the open today, so gave us a nice area here, and then another one right here for a couple moves here on NEO today, so that was kind of interesting. Facebook, and there's a couple others we put in the game plan too, which are pretty good as well. Facebook, again, this was generally one of the stronger names this morning. It had a big dip buy opportunity. I did not catch this one today because I was messing with NEO. This was the strongest one by far, right? So big push right here, consolidated by basically double triangles, and then ended up working its way up before coming down with the rest of the market here today. Other than that, let's take a look at a couple other names that were just powerhouses today. NVIDIA, this is such a hard name to trade with this type of structure right here. It just really is. I know it held the ADMA all day today, but not an easy one, right, with these lower shadows intraday. But it did work its way up pretty nicely and ended up filling the closing gap on that one. One to keep an eye on for tomorrow is Walmart. Had kind of a interesting range here today. Inside day, so see if it breaks over the inside day high tomorrow and gets going. So that's going to be on our radar going in tomorrow. Another one is AstraZeneca. Had a strong candle today. Now, this is an ADR and it's prone to crazy gaps, so I wouldn't be surprised if they gap it down tomorrow. But then we'll look and see if the dips are viable on it. So it's been an interesting name since it's vaccines and all that stuff. Uber looking pretty weak here today. We don't have the increased volume that I like to see, but we do see a pullback here below the ADMA and. All right, so good stuff. We're going to keep these on the radar, and really appreciate everybody for tuning in. We'll see you guys on the live stream tonight at 7:30. And until then, stay healthy out there, and remember, your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game.